You for tell me.
What?
And give me a piece of food. See pretty well busy, you know. Big soul come up and make a. What go on, can't get to pass. What go on?
I want to tell you, you know. Right now all them pass, they pass me. I don't see her. You know how long I'm pretty?
What you mean? What you mean in a pretty? You am pretty a role, brother?
Big man thinks, you know. Everything good, you know. But they see the manager. I like that, yo. You know, like her. So for that, I never go in that space. I just make them do them thing. But them are overwork her. I just call her and chat about, you know. She not listen. The Lord makes she do her thing, you see me? So I go on freestyle, bro. You don't know what thing going on.
You understand what you're saying, my friend? You can't let her out there for John, you know. Remember, say you're a woman. Manager, therapist. Why worry about them, brother? You have to worry about she. You get to me and say, she come first, them come dead. Last. You hear that?
I understand what you're saying, my bro. But you see, at the end of the day, how me want to deal with it, it not go good. Alright, now I feel like I take her off at one of them stages. Draw her out of the studio. Suppose you hear the beat, man. Living tiredness here, brother. But you just not listen. Like, you just make woman do them at the more time. Because woman, it's tough, you know.
Broski. Brother, have to understand, say, your woman a tech talking to you. But guess what? You also have to understand, say, you're the man. So you for make the talk, them brother, make the talk stands. You hear that? Come to this money, man.
Easier said than done. Wow. Wow.
Oh, that's how the place looks, sir.
But I remind me.
Tell us, say, man, to get a count, you know.
No matter with it.
Come here, man. Yeah.
Where's the material?
Oh, let me tell you, big friend. You want police?
Done this.
There you go.
Yes, my brother.
Careful, man, it go up.
No.
Oh, this is my cousin-in-law. Come here, man. Get over here. A family this, you know.
I just hope you treat the big man right, you know.
Why you never ask me if the big man treat me right?
All that too. I know so them come out of a mad family.
Just say you really got that.
So I got my police friend. Why this sudden visit from the down that dirty ground?
You can call me Miss Brissett here. Police thing. You don't want nobody, you don't want to think loud up too much, see?
That's our things.
See you. I really come link you about the community activity, the dance program thing where you did have a go on. I know say you're in and out still, but I want to know say boy I can still involve Tony on the night.
It was never a no, you know. It was always a yes, you know. But the truth, you know, me in and out, you know what I mean, like country. So, anytime I say clean, man, we can have an official meeting and we just level the ground with things.
Which is right. But you know, I want to ask you though, any little flare up of one in the community we're not supposed to know about?
Not out of the ordinary. You know, some little tam, you know what I mean? Just have run around and give themselves problem more while.
Then quick they can take care of that a simple 1-3 that.
Not even I expect to hear that from you, you know. I found a word that.
But Dada, remember, so still have to deal with community policing, you know. You're going like you want man to all dance or dog. Do something you want with it. I was a brown for the thing, man.
What ya? You're a dancer? I never know you could have dance.
And I dance in here bringing a bad man thing. How do you?
Bother with it, man. The latest dance move that you just bust. What name? Looney Tunes. Cartoon thing you
So I have phone. I have phone now, brother. I see what I have, man.